Alright, Amory's got him something pretty big on.
Oh my God.
It's pulling her drag pretty good.
I don't want it to break the damn line. Oh my God.
Don't put too much pressure on it. Don't break the line. Just keep enough pressure to where it's...
What if it's a shark?
I don't think it is.
Oh God. This is a big fish.
Loosen up your drag a little bit.
How? Which way?
Lefty loosey.
It's stirring up the water right there.
Is it right in front of you?
It's up, like, you see my line? Like right there. Oh my God! I didn't even know it had it on there. I just started reeling it in. This is a big fish.
I know, I seen the tail and I was like, oh my gosh.
Like, let me get the hell over here. Oh my God. This is probably gonna be the biggest fish I've caught. Should I let it get tired out?
Yeah.
I don't want it to freaking break. There's another one right here.
Keep putting pressure on it.
Stop.
Start reeling.
Oh. Are you recording?
Yeah.
I'm sure. Every time
What if that's like the mama and it has like all the babies around it? So I keep on seeing like freaking little splashes around it.
Or the daddy?
What? Dang, I can see the water stirring up.
I know.
Let's hope it's not no shitty fish.
I don't think it's no shitty fish.
It better be a redfish or something.
Look at it. I pull it like a little bit and it takes off.
Where'd you catch it at?
Right there.
In the grass?
Yeah.
Dang.
This is the longest I've kept it on the damn.
Keep reeling, don't lose it.
Look, it's moving over there now. Oh my God, if this thing breaks.
Don't say that.
I know.
Don't jinx yourself.
Go walk over there and see if you can see it.
I can't walk over there, it's deep.
No, right there.
Oh.
Look, it's lifting up the water.
Alright, it's right there.
Seen it? It poked out a little bit.
Is it a redfish?
Yeah.
Dang, how big do you think it is?
I don't freaking know. This is
You think like maybe...
like no other redfish that we've caught. Look, it's way over there now. No other redfish that we caught has fought this long.
Yeah.
Even if it was big, because we caught a 19 in there.
Oh, that's a big one.
That's a pretty big one. Damn. That one's way over there.
Dang, he's got shoulders on him.
If I was in the kayak, I could have went over there.
Oh yeah. But he would be pulling you all over the place.
Yeah, I don't care, but... Dang, he does not want to come in.
Oh my gosh.
We'll walk over here. Come on, get in here.
He's literally staying in like the
I
same
know.
spot for like the last like
the left to the right.
30 seconds. Oh, he's right there.
Coming in a little bit more.
Oh, I'm gonna get the fish grips and stuff. No, I was getting the fish grips. Dang.
It's right there, it's right there. Walk up to it and see if you can see it.
Oh, that's a big one. That's a nice one. I'm gonna take a guess. 24 inches?
Oh my god! That is big!
Alright, come on.
Dom's coming away. Look at it, No, you ain't getting away with this.
No! No!
Oh my god!
Oh my No! He pulled too hard. Dang. That was like the biggest red fish that we've ever caught.
Did I get my jig head?
Yeah, I think so. But oh my gosh.
I'm catching it.
Oh my gosh. Dang, that sucks.
I should have let it. Damn it. I should have let it go.
I think you barely hooked him too. Alright. Alright, Amory redeemed herself.
Yeah, with the little one.
But it's not as big as the other one. And it's a little bit bigger than all the other ones.
Dang, you're doing spinnies.
Maybe that big one brought all the little ones.
I want to catch that.
That one was big. That was like at least 24 inches.
I was fighting it for what?
I'd say about like, yeah, 5 minutes.
$15.
Hey, going back.
You better not.
I was about to say this one
Where's
didn't die. Oh god. Oh god, it touched me. There he goes.
Where?
It's right there.
Alright, let's catch that big one.
Alright. We're gonna catch that big one.